All right, class, on today's Big Back episode, just kidding. Today we are going to make Bang Bang chicken sliders on the Blackstone. That's what we're doing. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to make a seasoning rub, whatever, for the chicken. And I will put the full measurements in the description below. But first thing is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, a half teaspoon of lemon pepper, and I'm using lemon pepper because I don't have lemongrass and this is just easier. A quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of cumin, and a quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and then a half teaspoon of paprika. And then with my trusty whisk attachment, give that a good mix together. All right, set him off to the side. Next, we're gonna make our Bang Bang sauce. And again, description below, but I'm going to start with a half cup of olive oil mayo, a teaspoon of rice vinegar, a quarter cup of sweet chili sauce, and then about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha, depending on how spicy you want it. About a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a quarter teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna add about a quarter teaspoon of cracked pepper as well, and then give that a good mix. All right, voila, Bang Bang sauce. All right, so before I chop up my vegetables, which all I'm going to chop up is some red onion and some green onion. And the green onion I'll kind of cook in the chicken and as well as the red onion, and then I'll sprinkle some on top. But to hold the green onion on top of our Carb Smart Hawaiian rolls, we're gonna make a Thai hot honey. So pretty easy, pretty simple. A quarter cup of regular honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and instead of hot sauce, we're gonna keep the whole Thai theme, but we're gonna do a teaspoon of sriracha. All right, so I have my red onion chopped and my green onion chopped. Then I have mozzarella cheese that will melt on top of all this, along with my seasoning bowl. And then I got my shaved chicken, and then we'll add the Bang Bang sauce after, as well as the hot honey after. But let's head out to the Blackstone. That way. All right, so that is done. Cheese is on, bun is toasted, cheese is melted. Let's add our sauce. All right, top bun is on. Now let's brush some of this hot honey on here. All right, and then I added some green onion on top, but look at that. Let's eat. Oh yeah, look at that. Cheers. Tasty in a lot of interesting ways. There's definitely heat, obviously from the hot honey, and then honestly from the, Bang Bang sauce. But there is still a little bit of heat, not a lot, just a kind of a warm heat, probably from the cumin of the chicken. But it's ever so slightly masked by the, not intensity, but that I wouldn't even say harsh sweetness. That nice light sweetness of the honey. Very messy, very sticky from the honey, but delicious at best. So, I will also say that the red onion kind of adds a nice textural difference from the fattiness of the sauce, the fattiness of the cheese is nice. And then obviously the freshness of the green onions on top works anyway. Well guys, there you have it. Bang Bang chicken sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure to hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.